Alright, my name is Madison Twilliger, and this is my app, the Migraine app. So for this app, it's a little background. I experience migraines and I haven't been able to find an app that will really work for my situation. And there are a lot of apps out there, and there are a lot of good apps out there, but I always felt like they were too, they had too many questions, which I guess is a good thing, but also like I just wanted to record like the important stuff, right? So I kind of scaled it down a little bit, and this is what I came up with. The reason that is the darker colors, because I have a migraine, I do not want to look at a bright phone screen. So playing with the contrast and the colors was hard, but this is what I came up with. So the home screen has like a question: are you experiencing migraine? If you are, you hit yes. It'll take you to the tracker where you can do the stress levels, and you can enter your symptoms, and you can enter what you've done so far, or like just laid in bed or took Excedrin, etc. And if you don't, you can go, or you went back home, and then it takes you to a daily diary where you can track your water intake, your stress levels, which for me is a big trigger, then exercise, and then your other notes like random notes. If you go back to the home screen, it tells you how long you've gone without migraine, which for me is 1 day. And then these tell you, are like marking when you've last had migraines. Okay, and then we've seen this one, the tracker, daily diary, and then there is a summary. And this just will tell you like your average pain level, and then again the days that you've had your most recent migraines. And you can send a message to the doctor. That'll just pop up like a little hello screen. And then for the doctor side of it, let me just get this so you can see the whole thing. Okay, so this is the patient home where the doctor can see all of his patients, and it's supposed to be so you can keep scrolling. And then you can either click on the actual patient person, or you can click down here, but the patient person will take you to this screen with more information about them, age, the next appointment. If you click on the next appointment, it'll take you to the calendar, which I think is pretty cool. But anyways, back to the person. Some of the information that they put in the migraine app. And there's a message spot where you can see the messages that they sent. Yeah, and then if you go to here, this will be the calendar where you can see when you have the appointment. And then if you click on the person, so let's say we click on her, it'll take you back to their page so you can see the summary of what you'll be talking about and things like that. So yeah, this is my migraine app. I've had a lot of fun making it. Thank you.